How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video I'm going to be showcasing a 100 squat challenge that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no gym and no equipment needed. Now this challenge is took from my Train Like a Warrior app. Within the group and within the community we're always pushing out challenges to keep each other motivated to push forward towards our health and fitness goals. Now it doesn't matter what your level of fitness is at this moment, you're going to be able to perform this challenge. We're going to perform 10 different squat variations for 10 reps each. Let's get it. So we're going to kick off the 100 squat challenge with the very first exercise, which is your jump squat, and we're going to perform 10 reps here for every single movement. So the first one, 10 jump squats. As low down as you can, keep your back upright, jump up, explode as high as you can for 10 reps. Okay, as soon as you're done in them 10 reps, we're going into 10 normal squats, okay? Just squat right down for 10 reps, like so. Keep your back upright, get as low down as you can, trying to blast through this workout as quickly as possible. Moving onwards, exercise number 3 is going to be a jump and lunge, okay? Now I want you to perform a rep on each leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the whole way to 10 as quickly as you can. As soon as you're done in 10, we're going into a front lunge. So lunging forward like that, 1 rep. And then on the opposite leg, 2 reps. The whole way once again to 10. Trying to push through these 10 exercises as quickly as possible. Exercise number 5 is going to be wide stance sumo squat. So you want to place your legs wider than shoulder width apart with your toes pointing outwards, going right down as low as you can for 10 reps. Keeping the back upright, always looking in front. So this is halfway, this will be your 50th rep. As soon as you're done that, we're going into side lunges. So what you want to do is stretch out as far as you can, like that. That's 1 rep, and again, 2 reps. Keep the back upright, look in front, hit those 10 reps. Moving onwards, your next exercise is close stance squat. So I want you to place your feet chest width apart and just squatting down, like so. Keep your back upright, look in front. This is a brilliant movement for your quads. Just want to try to keep those legs close together. Perform 10 effective reps. As soon as you perform your close stance squats, we move on to exercise number 8, which is your curtsy lunge. So you want to stay low to the ground and lunging right back, like so. That's 1 rep, 2 reps. Once again, the whole way to 10, try to get that full extension of the leg right out as far as you can. Exercise number 9 is going to be another explosive movement with your explosive lateral jump squat. So I want you to start low to the ground and then exploding right round. That's 1 rep, 2. Try to get that rotation. Perform 10 effective reps. As soon as you perform that, I want you to go straight into your final exercise, which is bunny hops. And I want you to go to failure, okay? So try to get 10 reps, but I want you to push out as many as you can to finish off the workout. Okay, try to get 10 solid reps, and if you have any more in you, go for it. And that right there is your 100 squat workout complete. So team, there's your 100 squat challenge complete. If you enjoyed this challenge and you want to see more videos just like this, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos. And once again, if you're looking to work personally with me to help you get into the best shape and the best health of your life, click the link below and become a Train Like a Warrior member today. But once again, thank you so much for checking out the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.